Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2020 Ford Edge, and I will show you how you can align and set the height of the hood. This video should apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now by the height of the hood, I'm referring to how high this hood will sit on the headlights, on the front grille, and on the side fenders right here. So you can play with this height to set it to perfect position. If you lift the front hood, you will notice two big kind of screws, one here and one here. And the front hood actually sits on top of these two. So what you will do, you can actually screw these things in or out. I will show you now. You see, if I unscrew it, this will go up higher, and my hood will sit higher. But if I screw it in, see, that means the hood will sit lower on top of these, let's call them holders, and then your hood will be closer to the headlights. And you can always play with those two to align it to perfect position. You can see like how much this one is out. If I want my hood lower for some reason, I can just turn it to the right side, and you can see I can even get it all the way down. But again, you want to be careful not to get it too low, so you don't hit the headlight and break it. So but this is how you do it on these vehicles. It's quite easy and straightforward. So I'll put it back to how it was, because it was pretty good. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.